Welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see me do a full 12-hour wear test using the IT Cosmetics CC cream, stick around with me. Today for eyeshadow, I'm using my Anastasia PRIMSM palette, and I'm using that color Parallel.
Right way, combing.
I'm using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Using that color Saturn. It's a beautiful orange. Today I'm doing a 12-hour wear test using the IT Cosmetics CC cream, and I'm in the shade Rich. For concealer today, I'm using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Caramel, and I'm going down my nose and forehead with my Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. For setting powder today, I'm using one of my favorites, the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I'm just going in under my eyes with those same colors I used for my eyeshadow. I'm using my Sephora bronzer. For lips, I'm using my liquid lipstick from Urban Decay. And to set my face, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I hope you like my finished look. It is now 7:15 and everything is still in place. I used my Fenty Beauty blotting powder one time today. I used it maybe around 1 o'clock and I haven't used it since, and I've done a lot. I went to my daughter's school and it's pretty hot today. I was outside in my garden as always. Yeah, so this is my final face with the IT Cosmetics CC cream in the color Rich, and I love it. I use it a lot. I will use it again. I will recommend it to anyone with oily skin, anyone want a natural light coverage. So yeah, I love it. I will keep using it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, you could go ahead and welcome yourself and subscribe, and look forward to videos coming up from me in the week. And I love you guys. If no one else loves you, I love you for following me and watching my videos and liking. I appreciate everything.